Flashback Mary.
Hi sisters! Hi sisters! James Charles here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Since I'm a famous beauty guru, I have a lot of meet and greets. So I wanted to show you how I get this basic, easy look. That way you guys can recreate it. Nothing too crazy. If you want to see how I get this sister snatch look, then make sure to keep on watching. First, I'm gonna go in with foundation. You wanna make sure that your foundation matches you, or you'll have a sister scandal. That seems to be the right shade. Hey guys, look, my foundation finally matches my body. Once your base is beautiful and blended, you want to make sure to set it so it goes nowhere. Make sure to choose a powder that doesn't give you flashback. Once you are set, you want to make sure to sculpt those cheekbones and warm up that skin. Next, you want to mist your face with Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Use code JAMES for 10% off. Next, I'm going to go in with highlighter to blind all the haters. Now that's blinding. I'm going to snatch these brows off camera and then I'll be right back. These brows are saying a lot of things. I darkened up the brows using black eyeshadow. Oh my god. I have to like... Once your brows are on looking super natural, super fleeky, you want to make sure to pop a wing liner on. Perfect for a meet and greet. Now you want to pop in a lash to make sure no one sees your messed up wings. For the final touch, you want to make sure to add a nude lip, something that's very close to your natural lip color. My lips are so crusty. Why do I keep messing up? I'm a booty guru. Now we're gonna set it in place because we want to make sure it lasts all day long. So this is the final look.
Slide on the pimp gang with my pinky ring. Lot of gang, lot of bitches in the ice chain. While you claim that you rich, that's a false claim. I'll be straight to
Thank you guys so much for watching. Obviously, this was a joke. I love Sister James so much. I had to recreate his Flashback Mary for meme day for senior week, and I actually really like this look. I look freaking crazy, but it was so much fun to do. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I post every Tuesday, so make sure to hit that notification bell to get notified every time I upload. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you on the next one. Mwah. Bye guys.